demonstrating chocolate hazelnut cake. It is very easy to make. It requires some ingredients like chocolate sponge, whipped topping, hazelnuts and chocolate ganache. Let's check the ingredients. For chocolate hazelnut cake, we require whipped topping 200 gram, chocolate hazelnut paste 100 gram, chocolate sponge 300 gram, coffee sugar syrup and caramel hazelnut brittle. First cut sponge in 3 layers. Combine whipping cream and chocolate hazelnut paste. First take 1 layer sponge, soak with coffee syrup. Pour chocolate hazelnut cream, then level with spatula, then level with palette knife. Then sprinkle some caramel hazelnut brittle. Second layer of sponge. Soak again with coffee syrup. Again pour some whipping cream. Level with palette knife. Sprinkle some caramel nut brittle. Then last layer of sponge and press it. Again sugar syrup. Then put more whipping cream on the top. Coat this cake properly with the whipping cream. Scrape it from the side. On the top, Icing is done now. We have to keep in fridge for 30 minutes. Then pour ganache. Then garnish with some chocolate. Sprinkle some sugar sprinkle. Our chocolate hazelnut cake is ready to serve.